So today I want to show you how I'm going to transform this wall into a more fun wall with some of my new wall decals. What you need to do first is clean up the wall, so wipe it down, make sure there's no dust or anything like that, and let it dry for 24 hours. And then you can place out where you want your decals to be. So how you can do that is using painter's tape or blue tack and place them where you want them. So I want the chipmunk on the shelf. Some painter's tape here. I'm gonna make a little ball and place where I want my other animals. So we've got a zebra coming from this side, so likely I'm gonna have it in that corner over here, and I have a handy dandy chair. And then this guy here, I want to put him above the zebra. Then I've got a big one for you, which I think I know where I want to place. Big old bear. And now I'm going to step back and look at it from farther back, make sure it's what I want. And yeah, I think that looks good. So let's apply them. So we'll start with the chipmunk here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take off the white backing, then you're going to be left with this, and you're going to take that off just like that. If it's small enough to hold, just take it straight off. And so first you're going to take away the white backing. Make sure you take off the inner piece as well. So that's this guy here with any I've got this bear. It's not looking very straight, so I'm gonna